If you're a business owner and you wanted to have the best quality marketing agency and SaaS template inside your high level account, then make sure you watch this video till the end. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the exact marketing templates, AI Studio premium websites that I'm launching as my marketing agency Snapshot. And guess what? The quality is insane. I'm not going to speak about the quality, the detailing, and the premiumness, but I'll let you be the judge to decide the quality which is going to be available in this entire snapshot. And guess what? The quality, the detailing, the attention is absolutely crazy. I mean, anybody would be easily be able to charge $3,000 to $4,000 for a premium website like these. And guess what? You can now import all of them inside your account with the support of Snapshot for AI Studio templates, right? All of this is going to get covered in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end because this is absolutely bonkers. Take a look at this kind of quality that you see here. This is absolutely mind-boggling, and I would love to see something like this so that you can implement and add it to your marketing agency. This is the quality that we bring on the table, and this is what you will be able to add inside your account. And this has been requested many times inside our community here. And guess what? People have been asking a lot about it. When it's going to come, what are you going to deliver, and how amazing the quality is going to be. If that's you, make sure that you watch the video till the end because this is going to be now, before I deep dive into all of this, let me quickly show you inside the snapshot so that you can get a great idea. So inside funnels, we have these premium funnels that I've created for you. Again, some of these are custom made, some of these are high level templates, right? So, but yeah, these are packed in a way which are going to be super useful for you. The first is custom checkout funnel, just in case you want to have a checkout funnel and everything required for your business. This is what you need to have in order. This complete template is provided to you, right? Again, this is payment page, order confirmation page, everything custom built for you. Then you have a lead gen appointment booking funnel. This is a multi-step funnels. For example, you have a home page that you want to, retarget with lead generation, stuff like that. All of that is now available here. Not just that, you're also going to get an appointment page, terms and condition, privacy policies, stuff like that. Everything here gets added. Like this is a template, customize it however you want. 90% of the work is already done for you. You also have this premium lead generation template that you can use for your business for any reason, literally. Just swipe out the images, change the text, and all yours. Again, there's this beautiful effect where I've spent probably days building this built coded. Just look at the quality, guys. This is what people need when they buy from it. This page alone is worth like $500 that I would normally and easily charge to my clients and have been charging literally thousands of dollars for my projects. Again, you have some website here, custom websites. For example, this is a modern multi-page startup website that am providing to people. Again, these are multi-pages, so you can go through them later on. Again, these are built here. You also have the agency CRM site. Again, these are templates from high level, but beautifully done. I really like them, so I've added here as part of the snapshot. You also have this agency SaaS template. Again, I really like it, so I added here. Apart from that, you have automations, different kinds of automations that you would need to connect it to your website, funnels, landing pages, literally everything. Let me quickly show you that as well. All right, some marketing flows. Whether you need a lead no-show sequence, appointment confirmation, appointment no-show, new sale send request review, long-term no-show sequence, or just a stale lead that you want to, nudge if they're interested. All of that is available here as well. Apart from that, we also have created pipeline, which is dedicated to this marketing platform for like new lead contacted, stage book, stuff like that available here. You also have calendars and all that stuff at the back end that's available there. Let me quickly take you to the cream, something that you have been really wanting to learn from me and implement it. But guess what? I'm going to give all of this in a pixel perfect format because HighLevel has now introduced snapshot support, which basically means that all of this gets input inside your HighLevel account for absolutely pixel perfect method, so that you do not have to use prompts to recreate this. And by the way, even if you use prompts to recreate this, you won't be able to recreate this 100% because of it's not done with one prompt. I've spent days and days in order to create this. It's beautifully done and hundreds of prompts. Of course, I've used reference templates. I'm not going to lie about it. Reference websites. I've used GitHub code repository. I've used other reference AI prompts that I've got from others. almost everything to build a custom solution for my clients. Look at this. This looks beautiful. Let me quickly load this page first of all to actually give you a great idea of what you are looking at. And all of this, most of it is actually built for high-level AI SaaS CRM, right? So look at it. Look at the beautiful glow, the background, the look and feel of it looks absolutely stunning. As I scroll, I mean, all these images are changeable. All these logos literally can be changed with prompts with high-level AI Studio. Just look at the quality here, the whole effect that's come with it. I mean, if I can make something amazing, why will I not make it, right? So look at it. Look at the detailing. Look at the background. Look at the effects that you go with it. This beautiful animation. I really, really love this. Look at this our feature section where everything is fully animated. Like these are motion graphics, ladies and gentlemen. So look at the quality that you are going to get when you have something like this for your business. Look at the pricing plan that's emerging. Look at the quality here as well. Perfect. And look at the detailing, copy, the text, the sections, all are designed for high-level CRM or high-level SaaS, right? The generic template that you find online, this is something that you absolutely want for yourself. Beautifully done, beautiful effects, and I really, really like it. Just look at this beautiful effect there. I mean, this is amazing. Look at this beautiful effect. Not just that, let me quickly scroll to the top and show it to you something which is absolutely premium. There are other pages too. This is a multi-page website that I have created over the time, and look at the quality. You know, look at this beautifully done. I mean, you could tell that somebody has spent a lot of their time onto this because this doesn't happen over a prompt. Literally, look at this. Okay, the images, the stuff, everything you could literally change, but 90% of the work is already done for you. And this is what you're going to enjoy the most because when most of it is done, you probably will have you know your custom website ready in probably minutes or probably within an hour. Look at the quality there, right? Look at the detailing that you see here. I mean, I'm absolutely nuts about the quality. I mean, these are multiple pages, and it's going to take me a lot of time to show you all of this. Look at this. Look at this functioning website. Look at this integration and this pricing breakdown. Really everything. Really, really love it. Some of these are images, some of these are pure code, but you don't have to worry about it. Just ask AI to change anything you want, and you should be sorted. And of course, these are all tablet and mobile optimized. You don't have to worry about anything at all. So look at the next one. Again, this is a complete pure marketing website. If you have a marketing agency, which many of you might have, and using HighLevel at the back end, it's exactly what you need to be using it. Look at the quality, guys. I mean, I'm not the one to judge here. You could judge for yourself. And you tell me, what do you think about this? I'm no one to tell you the quality. You are going to tell me the quality. You're going to tell me the professionalism. You're going to tell me the interactability, the effects here that you see here. And yeah, all of this is inside AI Studio. So perfectly built for yours. And again, this is not just one page. There are lots of pages, guys. This time I have made sure that you get a tons of pages on your website. If you don't want it, you can remove it. But if you want it, hey, there you don't have to, lift a finger in order to, you know, make these extra pages and let AI do for you. I'll do it for you, and I'll make sure that you guys the best of the quality possible on earth for something that AI Studio can provide you. It's just my 5 years of experience working with hundreds of marketing agencies and having an agency of my own of generating hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I think the quality is amazing. Just look at it. Beautifully done. So let's move to the next website here. Again, beautifully done. This is a very neat, clean, premium SaaS site that you want to have that people will literally pay thousands of dollars for. Like all these sites, I would easily charge two to three thousand or $4,000 for websites like this if I ever had to build a custom one for any of my client. But guess what? You could get it absolutely crazy. Look at this. Let me quickly refresh this one. Let's show it to you. Look at the animation that you see here. Look at this different variation page. Again, all of this dashboard images you see, of course, could be easily changed for any of yours, right? Of course, these are not going to be the same for everybody, uh, but this is a template and you have AI Studio. So you just them the screenshot and ask them to change it. That's it. And it's going to change the entire thing about it. And if you face any issues, you have the community support. You can, send any message over the community, basically create a post, and then the community members will look into it, or even I will help you out on that. Look at this. Look at this interactability. Look at this interactability. I mean, this is what you pay for, guys. This is what you pay for. We're no more in the era of static, you know, basic AI slops. If you're joining my community, you know you get quality. Nobody joins without seeing the value that they're going to get. Look at this. Look at this. People only join when they see the value in it. Otherwise, why will you join? Like I have been selling and helping my clients sell for the last 5 years, generating millions of dollars for my clients. And if I cannot provide you something, hey, guess what? You don't have to join my community. But if you see the value, if you see quality, if you see a leader who is showcasing his experience into a space that he has worked for 5 years and is absolutely crushing in the space of premium AI studio templates and snapshot, you better join, guys. Do not miss it. All right. Look at this. Look at this quality, guys. Look at this quality. I mean, let me open this. Beautiful. Lovely. I mean, I really, really like it. Sometimes I'm just proud of my own work, and why not? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Stunning. Neat, clean. Amazing. Isn't it, guys? Look at it. Again, this is not a single page website, everyone. This is a multi page website that you get to see when you start importing it. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, there's a wow factor in every single page, every single website that I'm going to give it to you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the quality, guys. Look at the pricing section. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. Look at this. Beautifully done. Look at this. FAQ. We even have sections like that. Nothing here is basic. Nothing here. Integrations. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the quality. Look at how you can just click on these and just see. None of this is basic. None of this is just boring. All of this is premium. And I've built over weeks and hundreds of prompts and tweaking and customizing day and night under this. I mean, I truly love doing this, and I think I'm pretty good at it at the end of the day. Otherwise, it won't look as good as this. I mean, I'm being honest here. Look at this beautiful premium green automate AI website. Just let me load this one. You can see and have a good look on this. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful greenish effect. It's dark website. Look at the quality. Again, this is built for everybody. This is not for a single person. So feel free to customize it however you want. And that's really one thing. We're not going to stop here, right? Every few weeks, we're going to include new templates so that you can, you know, be energized, you can implement them, and you can use it to grow your business. Why not? Look at the quality, guys. Look at the quality. Look at the detailing that I've been using. Look at this conversation AI, voice AI, AI Studio, Ask AI, email content AI. I mean, this looks like, wow, this looks like something, and somebody has put in a lot of efforts into these. Look at that. Look at these testimonials. Perfect, isn't it? I really love what I see here. That's the quality that people are normally going to get when they join in. Amazing. This is absolutely stunning. And these are, again, multi pages, not a single page, not a one page stuff. These are multi page stuff. Look at pricing sections, pricing pages, FAQs, blogs, contact, literally everything. Login, literally. I mean, this is what you get, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you really like what you saw here. And if you are, you can join my free community which is high level lab, so that you can get a really good understanding of everything that we are doing. And it's very easy to qualify in order to get inside my community. There are various ways of doing it. For example, you could get a 30-day free trial with high level, right? And join it and get access to my community, premium community. You can upgrade from 97 to 297 if you want to, or upgrade from 297 to 497. You also get access to the community, or you could get a special offer as of now, today's date, check the date, $497, just that's it, for a lifetime deal. Because these are early members, I'm trying to get a community till we reach a certain members, then I'm going to change the price. Of course, somebody providing all of this as 497 and more for the future, I mean, not possible at 497. And this is what you get when you're part of this. Is the premium community with all these classroom details and everything. Just look at it. We already have the home service snapshot. Now it's going to be the marketing agency snapshot going to come live here. We're also having sessions every single week. So that's there. So yeah, you're absolutely going to love it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section or DM me personally inside this free community. I'll be happy to help you out. Cheers. I'll see you soon.